Thompson Motor Speedway,
The
home of
place.
Lock City Drift. Today's gonna be cool. Today's gonna be great.
Today's gonna be a good
It's
day.
gonna be a really great day. So we're here. It's another drift video. Oh my god. To be honest, these days are for me. These are my days. I'm having a blast. Today we got the Cherry Hatch. I know it wasn't supposed to be a drift car, but I brought the Pine View and it was just way too much freaking fun. And I wanted to tandem and have some fun with my friends. So we have the Cherry Hatch. We're gonna go kill it in the street car today and have a blast. Alright boys, so the Cherry Hatch, if you guys don't know this car, it is SR20, T28, stock knuckle, stock angle. We got coilovers, bucket seat, and some adjustable tension rod brackets.
Gotta get the style points on, huh?
My half-ass mounting of a front lip.
Half-ass. Half-ass. Josh, where's your bumper?
Not here. I may have had a little mistake last time, but it'll be back eventually. Maybe next year.
So angry today.
Angry every day.
Why are you so mad? Is it because we didn't get Dunkin' Donuts this morning?
No, he didn't get his refresher.
Yeah, he didn't get his refresher. He's in a bad
If he
mood.
doesn't get his nice peach refresher, he gets pretty grumpy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do you see what he's wearing?
Is this kid wearing a KA shirt?
KA all day.
Does he not
Does he
know?
know his car has an SR in it?
Who is he?
I could tell you exactly who he is, Sumo. This kid
He's a
is a
poser.
big, dumb idiot.
Talking shit?
Yes!
You want to get hit?
It's an SR!
Is good. Do a trick.
Yeah, do something cool.
Wait, do you actually need?
Wow, so rad.
Today's sick because I haven't seen this many cars in one area in a long time. There's a big driver's list today, so let's go around and just appreciate how freaking cool Northeast drift cars are. Let's go. S14. Look at the kit. When have you seen an S14 like that before?
Is that on Cobra wheels?
And then let's just take a moment of appreciation to appreciate Bobby's. This is an LS swap car, right? Usually when you see an LS swap car, they don't look this street style, but I'll tell you what, just take it in.
Watch out for Lynch.
Take it in.
He's gonna kill us.
Look how hot that thing is. LS cars don't look like that. We got so many cool cars, so I could literally make a 40-minute video of just me poking at them and hyping them up, but let's just do a quick B-roll, get to it.
We'll come back to it.
Yeah,
Hey.
All the children.
You gonna blow this thing up today?
No, it's built. Should be good.
Should be good.
We're gonna find out.
Cheers. No, not e-video. Oh, hello, hi.
So we have about 30 C drivers, 40 B drivers.
Let's go, boys! So many freaking cars I could show you right now. And yes, I need a gimbal pretty horribly. We'll add that to the list of things, but driver's meeting is about over, so A-Class is up right away and I don't want to miss any driving, so let's get right to it. I'm actually extremely nervous for today. I haven't been nervous to drift in a long time. It's gonna be great. Shut up, Shabby.
You're gonna kill it, dude. You know you are. Come on, what are you, this kid gets nervous still like he's not a gangster.
So I've been out here for about 25 minutes now. Haven't seen Jimmy once. Can't see him from here. to the pits, he's gonna be out there like, where are you? Yeah!
I backed up and literally blew a power steering line.
Hell yeah. Whoopsie. What a good boy, cleaning up after himself. Brian, take a hint. Good job. I'm glad you clean up.
All right, so I just blew my high pressure power steering line, as you saw, which sucks that I had no power steering, but I got as much fluid out as possible. I cleaned up my mess, and I capped both ends of the broken line. So hopefully it doesn't leak anymore, and we can kind of go drive. Driving this thing with no power steering, it's doable. Not my favorite thing in the world, but it's better than not driving, right?
You think Jimmy's gonna do okay with no power steering?
Listen, Jimmy is like the best drifter I know, so he's gonna do just fine.
All right, you heard from him. Travis says it.
This is like really hard. Like I gotta focus, like, and I'm a strong dude, right? Like I gotta focus all my strength. Like in drift, it's fine. The car steers itself, but dude, when I gotta enter and like throw it, whew, don't ever plan to not run power steering in a drift car. If you got like an 8.6 or something, maybe. Not good. They brought a whole sound system here.
And a DJ.
I tried it. Wasn't fun. I'm a strong dude. Had a hard time, as you could tell.
I'm not gonna lie though, even from like looking out here, it didn't look like you did it.
Look,
You were doing it.
dude, my steering wheel was flexing. Was like getting like Indian burn on the steering wheel. How do we make this vlog interesting? Because I can't drift no more. I could steal Carter's car.
Yeah, and you can eat a whole bunch of mini muffins. Well, how many mini muffins can you fit in your mouth at once?
What do you like to know?
I love these things. They're so cool. Let's see you fit in there.
Spacious.
Oh Jesus, here we go. Oh, Jimmy's got plenty of room on that side.
You want to drive?
We're both 6'4", I think, right?
I'm 6'2" on a good day.
The girls, he's 6'4".
6'4".
Knee check.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Jimmy's got like 1/8 of an inch.
We got this, dude.
Knee check.
Quick release.
Let's go, man.
Is this you or what?
Everyone was jealous.
I believe it.
CRJ, I cursed myself, right?
How'd you do that?
The freaking shirt. Given an SR and a KA share the same power steering pump.
I did say something about it this morning.
What?
I said, are you sure you want to wear that? You're driving an SR.
Oh. RJ was daily driving my car all week, no issues.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's not your fault. I brought
Whoa.
I brought a cheap line. I'm just saying, I wish this happened yesterday when you were driving it. Stupid. This sucks. I should be doing this. I remember the E30, fire tandems, lap. God, I miss that freaking car. Why did they have to take her from me, RJ? Why did they have to take her from me? The coupe needs to be finished. I just need to, wow, that was really cool. I need to hire a full body shop to finish that car ASAP. Hope you guys are still enjoying today's video of me. I'm gonna cry in the bathroom. I'll see you later.
This guy's an idiot. I would have done it in this truck in the AC. 3 years and 3 SRs later, here we are. 3 years later, first event. Let's get it, kid. Let's get it. Don't blow this one up too.
Hey, don't say this one's trusted.
There you go.
All right, well, at least my car braking allowed Josh to drive because he ruined his front tires. And we got to see Josh's car on some not blue wheels because, as you guys know, Josh painted his S14 yellow. It looks amazing because, as you know, I love yellow cars. But we haven't seen it on a wheel other than this freaking blue. It's gonna change his life. It's gonna change his life. You're gonna love the way these look.
I'm scared to see how they look because I'm gonna want them.
Yeah! Yeah! What do you think?
I mean, I haven't even looked yet. Hold on a second.
Ooh, right? The Concees, baby?
That's, I think I may need to do double staggered.
Looks hot. I've never seen Josh's car without the teal wheels. Never in my entire life.
It looks so good.
It looks so much better without them on there. Good to see you. Wait, no. Excuse me, I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to
It finally broke. It took long enough.
Look at that!
Ah, that's funny.
Oh yeah, baby!
I got Cheetos, I'm chilling. All right. Very anticlimactic video, right? Car breaks. It's a drift car.
That should be the title.
Very
Anticlimactic day
video.
at Thompson.
Wow, it was great. An amazing day. The freaking cherry hatch brakes. I don't say it's because it's SR. Don't say because it's just, it happens, you know? What?
Don't spoil your appetite. We're going to get food.
We'll be out here soon enough. You know what it was? Brian wasn't here. The mojo was off, you know? Feels weird without him. But, till next time, folks. Somebody want to end the video?
All right, guys. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Jimmy.
Have a great night.